What's going on with alfalfa breeding? We're going to find out more with Dr. Don Miller, Director of Product Development with Alforex. And Don, we talked in another program about the Corteva R&D program down at West Salem. And what exactly is the focus of that program? New and better varieties, obviously, isn't it?
Yes, I think it's pretty exciting. Alforex is under the Corteva umbrella, which has the ag focus, and Alforex is the forage division of that. With that merger of Dow and DuPont and the formation of Corteva, our alfalfa breeders now have large resources for variety development, a lot of horsepower behind us now in developing varieties. We just hired two new alfalfa breeders, so that's a big addition to the program. And also, for Wisconsin growers, we have a research facility near La Crosse in West Salem that just focuses on alfalfa and forages that could really something here in the state to help the farmers raise alfalfa. We also have a new location in Connell, Washington for the Pacific Northwest, so our breeding program is changing, and with these resources, we now are developing varieties for all over the U.S., fall dormancies 2 to 10, from cold climates to warm climates, and we can now, with these added resources, we can test in multiple environments across locations and breed for numerous traits that influence the profitability of alfalfa for the farmers, not only in Wisconsin, but also across the U.S.
And Don, of course, the focus the last year or so has been on winter kill with all the alfalfa we lost. But what about research? Are there new things they're working on continually as far as disease resistance and fighting off some of those challenges?
Yeah, always yield is important in the breeding program, but to enhance the yield, we need to make sure we have good disease and pest resistance. So we're always screening for any pests or disease that might limit the profitability or the stand longevity of alfalfa. So, winter survival, part of that's influenced by how much disease that plant is being damaged by those pathogens. And also, what can we do to screen for winter survival? And, having a research location in Wisconsin, we can test it under those conditions and see which varieties persist under those harsh winter conditions, and also whatever diseases are occurring in Wisconsin.
Research done for Wisconsin on our alfalfa with Corteva and with Alforex. And Dr. Don Miller, Director of Product Development with Alforex, with us to talk about it this morning on our Ask the Expert program.